I'm Jason.
I'm Todd.
This is our little child Ziggy. Say hello, Ziggy.
Hi, Ziggy.
And we're the Glamping Guys. Hey everybody, guess what time it is? It's time for another episode of Jason's Cocktail Hour. And this video is going to be coming out a little bit later in January, but we are actually at Wekiwa Springs on our glamping trip, and it's actually New Year's Eve. How much fun! So in celebration of New Year's Eve, we're going to do another very easy drink that we love a lot. And one thing that we love about it is that it is a very versatile drink. It's very simple. You can do different combinations of ingredients, but it is a champagne cocktail and they are so good. So what we do is use a flavored vodka. We're this time using strawberry kiwi vodka. And then, you know we like it sweet, so we are using a Spumante champagne. We just get the cheap version because you're mixing it with everything else. We just like it for the fizz and for the bubbles. And then your drink mixer of choice. We are using strawberry kiwi, but we also have, whoops, wrong place, but we also have mango peach. So this is why it's very versatile. You can also add different types of fruit flavor infused vodkas as well. So if you're more of a strawberry vodka or a citrus vodka, all the different flavored vodkas go so well with this. And I think they also have flavored rums that you could use instead as well. So it's very easy and it's really good. So the first thing we're gonna do is add the alcohol. Now you know we like a good stiff drink. So this is actually a 2-ounce shot glass, and we usually fill it all the way up. So here we go. So another cool thing that we have is these really awesome redneck mason jar cups. And in celebration of our wedding colors, which is orange and purple, for all of you who watched our Glamp Site Club Night video, you know that our wedding colors were orange and purple. So my favorite color is purple, so we have a purple one. And Todd's favorite color is orange, so here's Todd's. Since he's behind the camera, say hi, Todd.
Hi, everybody. I love these glasses because it keeps me from actually accidentally stealing Jason's drink, because I do that all the time, so.
Oh, I know. Way better than getting a Marquee and writing your name on a solo cup for sure.
Exactly.
So we're gonna make my drink because Todd's busy working right now. So just pour that in. And to save room, we don't like our drinks to get too watered down with these, so I only fill it about halfway up with ice. So then the next ingredient's the champagne. And I have already taken the liberty of opening the bottle. See, I'm getting a little better at this every time, guys, don't you think? So then I fill the rest of it up about, gotta wait for the fizz to go down, but I fill it about 3/4 of the way. And this is the good part that gives you all the bubbles and the fizz. And then the last ingredient is whatever fruit juice of your choice. We all have our favorites. So then I'm just gonna fill this up and top it off with kiwi strawberry. And usually I'll get the, over in the produce section where it's already refrigerated, I'll get that like fake juice, the Dole brand, I think. But they had the V8 Splash on sale. I'm not getting paid for this endorsement, but I've always heard good things about it. And it's made with 100% real juice. So we're also getting our vitamin C. And then check this out. You have a mason jar champagne cocktail. Isn't this cool? We love drinking with these, but a lot of places we can't really use them because you can see inside. And some places you can, obviously drink, at your campsite, but alcohol's not permitted in the public areas. So anyway, let's give this a taste test. Oh my God, it's perfect. So the ingredients we have is strawberry kiwi vodka. We have a strawberry kiwi juice, And then for the fizz and the bubblies, and to celebrate Glamtastic New Year's, we have champagne. And speaking of Happy New Year, we wish all of you a fantastic Happy New Year. We wish you peace, we wish you love, and much, much happiness. So we hope all of you have a fabulous 2018. So I think I'm gonna go and sip on my drink and get Todd's champagne cocktail mixed up, and we're gonna enjoy sitting around the fire this evening because it's gonna get really, really chilly for the next couple of days. This is actually gonna be our first glamping trip where the weather is gonna be chilly, so we're actually looking forward to it. And there's no bugs! Woohoo! So anyway, guys, have a fabulous day, Happy New Year, and stay tuned. Bye, guys.
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.